If you own a cleaning company, chances are you've wondered, what does it actually cost to run Google Ads? It's a smart question, and like most things in marketing, the answer is it depends. There are three main cost layers that you'll want to understand. First, ad spend. This is what you pay directly to Google for every click your ad gets. In smaller towns, cleaning-related clicks might cost $2 to $6. In larger cities or for more competitive services like commercial cleaning, those same clicks can run $10 to $15 or more. Second, management. If you manage the ads yourself, the cost is your time, usually 5 to 10 hours a week. If you hire a freelancer or an agency, you'll typically pay $500 to $2,000 per month for expert help. Third, creative and setup. Strong campaigns usually need a landing page, clear ad copy, and maybe some visuals. These can add upfront costs, but they make a big difference in performance and often reduce your cost per lead. So what does it all add up to? A basic DIY campaign might cost around $1,000 a month. A professionally managed campaign in a busy market could run several thousand per month, especially if you're targeting high-value commercial contracts. But here's the key question. Are you getting a return? If you spend $50 to land a customer who brings in $2,000 or more over time, that's a win. Google Ads aren't free, but when they're done right, they can be one of the most effective ways to grow your cleaning business, predictably and consistently.